So let's going to see about the TCP protocol suite. So here the layer in the TCP protocol suite do not exactly match those in the OSI model, because in OSI model they have 7 layers, and in TCP model they have only 5 layers. So the original TCP model protocol suites was defined as having 4 layers, that is to network, internet, transport and application. So here this having 4 layers, that is host to network, transport and application layer. However, when TCP is connected compared to the OSI, we say that TCP protocol suite is made with 5 layers, that is physical, data link layer, network layer, transport layer and application layer. So this is the outline for TCP and OSI model. Here there were 7 layers, that is first layer is physical layer, second layer is data link layer, and third layer is transport in network layer, and fourth layer is transport layer, and fifth layer is session layer, and sixth layer is presentation, and followed by application layer. So here in this application layer, presentation layer and session layer contains the applications which of the protocols which used here is simple mail transfer protocols, FTP, HTTP, DNS, this and all. And in transport layer, SCTP, TCP, UDP is calculated. And in network layer, IP addresses, that is RAP, that is reverse address resolution protocol, which is used here. And in data link layer, the protocols defines like underlying network, that is host to network. So here we are using the addressing concept, that here 4 level of addresses are used in internet, that is employing TCP protocols, that is physical, logical, port and specific. So here we have used 4 addresses, that is physical address, logical address, port address and specific address. So first here we are going to see about the application layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer and physical layer. Here this physical layer, physical addresses which follows the underlying the physical networks, and in network layer, and which is followed by the data link layer. And in network layer, here were used the IP and other protocol devices, that is mainly used for the logical addresses. And in transport layer, that is transmission communication protocol is used, and at the same time user datagram protocol is used to the port address. And next we are going to see about the application layer. This is used for the process for the specific address. So here in this we have given an example for showing the in the node, the physical address is contained in sense of a frame to a node with the physical address 87. The two nodes are connected by the link bus topology LAN. As a figure shows, the computer with physical addresses chain in the sender, and the computer with the physical addresses 87 is the receiver. So followed by this is the computer networks which sends the data from one place to another, that here the source addresses is forwarded to the receiver, that is send addresses is followed by the receiver. So the most local area network that uses a 48-bit 6 bytes. Physical address is written as a 12 hexadecimal digits. Every byte 2 hexadecimal digits is separated by the clone as shown in figure. Column. So here also in IP address we have suited that in LAN 1, which is connected by the one area, that is network layer, which the LAN is connected to the router, and the router is connected to the LAN 2, and the router, and then again that router is connected by the LAN 3, and this both layer is connected to the layers. So this is the next port address. that sender is receiving the data in the application layer, and after that it's passing the transport layer of the data is passed through the receiver. Here the port address is 16-bit address which represents one decimal number as shown in figure, and the 16-bit port addresses represents as a single bit.